friends, welcome to another I don't care, I'm not gonna repeat that, put subtitles. Make sure you don't put this in the edit, you put this in the edit, you're fired. Hello everybody, welcome to yet another unboxing video. Today we're unboxing a brand new camera. This is the Fujifilm X-A7. So this is basically an entry-level camera, but now fear not, you know, just because it's entry-level, everybody was like, oh, no, entry-level is not good, it's not professional, you know, I got to bring my whole Instagram game up. This one is actually smart enough to make you look like a professional when you're not. That's right. So have you ever heard the term of fake it till you make it? Let's get straight to it. Open up in the box, what do we have? Alright, we have a piece of paper that you'll not read. We have a piece of plastic that has paper that you'll not read. And then, oh wow, you have the camera. This is pretty vintage looking if you ask me. But this is very nice though. The color is actually very nice. Okay, you have the camera body. You have the kit lens. Let's see what kit lens does it come with. A little bit of ASMR for you. Ah, you like that? Alright. Oh. Alright, the kit lens is it's a 1545 kit lens. If you're wondering what sensor this is an APS-C sensor. What is it? It takes nice pictures. It's all you have to worry about. Cable here, cable there, battery here. What else? Ah, a brown strap to go with your brown body. Is there a charger that comes with this thing? No! Because you basically plug it in directly to the body over here to charge your camera. That's right, this camera likes you to charge it with its body. See? USB-C, okay? Ooh. And then let's turn it on. You see this button over here, you press. Ooh! It erects. Alright, start menu. Ah, pair with smart... Oh, you can actually pair this with a smartphone. So if you look at the screen, there's actually some sort of like So there's a QR code over here, so you might want to scan it and see what we can do. Ah, tap here to go to fujidsc.com in your browser. Choose camera to connect to, X system. This is the X-A7, so X-A7, ta-da! Add, and then proceed. Found a camera, select it. Done, start. That's actually pretty cool, pretty fast. So you can do everything within the phone. That's actually pretty cool. First thing that I noticed about this whole entire camera is the screen is huge. Look at that. It's like, it is so big. It makes me want to go, bring, bring. Hello? it's like a smartphone. All right. And apart from that, it flips out. Look at how big that screen is. That's right. One of the brightest screens I've ever seen out there in the market. If you want to compare it, it's pretty much comparable to your smartphone because this screen over here is basically big enough to put as much information as you need to know to take a picture. Let's pay attention to the screen over here. Over here, you have this button that controls your depth control. What do you mean by depth control? You want your subject to be sharp, background blur, you adjust it here. Now, professional cameras will basically ask you to widen your aperture or make it smaller or make it bigger. Sometimes it gets a little bit confusing. Now, for people who just want to take a picture and get a sharp image but a blurred background, this is all you need to know. So this is basically what you do. You basically use this button over here to control the sharpness of the background. Alright? So this little button over here adjusts your aspect ratio. Some people like to take pictures, you know, for Instagram and they want that square aspect ratio. Basically, they choose 1:1 lah. So you also have 16:9, 3:2, 4:3. And this is what you need to do to adjust your exposure. So normally when you want to take a picture and you want to adjust the exposure, you have to adjust the shutter speed. In this case, they make it easier for you to understand. They just ask you to adjust your exposure. Do you want your picture brighter or do you want your picture darker? Everything can be adjusted here. So there's this little film logo over here. When you click on that, we're gonna get some film simulations from Fuji. As we all know that Fuji is very well known for their film stocks. So depending on what pictures you want to take, black and white, Sophia. So everything is basically showcased in real time. So as you can see, the screen is being split into half. So depending on what you want. Do you want black and white, 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 Sophia. Yes, everything is all here. So you can choose whatever you want and take a picture. I'm gonna go with standard and take a picture of our handsome producer over there. Boom, done. So as you can see that this camera is basically targeted for those who just want to take out the camera, point it at something, and shoot straight away. Okay, let's talk about the video features of this camera. It was actually used for our film. We used it as a behind the scenes camera, and all of the vlog footages in the film Homebound is basically recorded with this camera. Now, it shoots up to 4K, 25 frames per second, in HD, up to 100 frames per second. It means you can get your slow motion videos. Now, if you're the type that love to post Insta stories on your Instagram, there is this feature that's pretty unique. Now, I'm gonna go to the menu, go to the movie setting, go to countdown video recording, and set the timer to 15 seconds. Now, going back to the main menu, flip it out like this, and the minute I hit record, there is a countdown timer that tells me how much time I have left. Okay, so right now I have 10 seconds, so I'm basically gonna look at the screen. Hello, I have about 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then boom, it automatically stops recording. So this camera basically takes 15-second videos or 30-second videos or 1 minute on the dot videos for you to automatically or instantly transfer to your phone and post it up to your Insta stories right away. So this camera is aimed towards beginners lah, because you know, people sometimes just want to take out their cameras, take a nice picture, upload it on Instagram or maybe share it on Facebook. So if you're a beginner and you don't know much about those camera jargons, you know, f-stop and whatever not, everything on the screen is pretty simple. Just point and shoot, transfer, and then upload. Let's just say you want to change lenses. It allows you to do that because you can basically remove the lenses and put any lenses, well, it has to be an X mount on this camera. And just for fun, let's put a professional lens on this camera, shall we? So this is a cinema lens, ladies and gentlemen. This was used to shoot one of our films, Homebound, and it's a very, very sharp lens, very expensive lens as well, and you can use it on this body. Basically, this lens can buy 10 of these cameras. almost 10 of these cameras, okay? Can you imagine vlogging like this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Zoom out. Hey, what's up guys? Okay, please do not do this. Please do not buy this camera and this cinema lens. I tell you, if you do that, I don't know what's wrong with you. So this has been the unboxing of the X-A7 from Fujifilm. A big shout out to Fujifilm for allowing us to unbox this camera. And of course, a big shout out to Fujifilm for working with us on our most recent project. If you haven't watched it, we showcased the X-A7 in our recent film called Homebound. You can both see the camera and the camera footage as well in that film. Thank you very much for watching guys, and be sure to subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you guys next time.